Chemistry is often seen as difficult because many of its ideas are abstract, invisible, and hard to visualize. Students can read about molecular structure, bonding, and reaction, but those concepts often stay on the page instead of becoming real understanding. As a result, many learners become passive. They receive information, copy notes, and move on, but they don't always get the chance to actively apply or communicate what they have learned. This is the challenge we want to address. Chemistry concepts are invisible and abstract. Students memorize without truly understanding, and communication skills often remain undeveloped. So the real question is not just how we teach chemistry, but how do we help students see it, explain it, and own it? What if students stop memorizing and start communicating? What if chemistry learning was not only about getting the right answer, but about becoming confident enough to explain it to someone else? That question led us to CHEM.ED Series, a project designed to transform students from passive learner into active science communicator. CHEM.ED Series is our project-based learning and learning by teaching initiative. It was designed for the Chemistry 1 course, which involved 491 engineering and science foundation students at the Center for Foundation Study, Universiti Teknologi PETRONAS. Instead of only completing a traditional assignment, students were challenged to research real chemistry concepts, create educational video and infographic pamphlet, teach their idea to authentic audience, and then reflect on what they have learned. In this way, chemistry becomes something they don't just study, but something they created, shared, and explained. The first phase is exploration. Students begin by researching their assigned chemistry topic using digital tools, reliable sources, and collaborative discussion. They challenge assumptions, test ideas, and build their understanding step by step. Throughout this process, they also consult with the course expert, that is the lecturer, to ensure the accuracy of the content. Learning becomes active from the very beginning because students are not simply receiving information. Instead, they investigate, question, and construct knowledge together. In the second phase, students transform knowledge into creation. They convert complex chemistry concepts into engaging educational videos and infographic pamphlets that are both informative and accessible. To achieve this, they storyboard, design, animate, and produce their own learning material. This process challenged them to think critically about how scientific knowledge can be communicated clearly and effectively to different audiences. The third phase is where learning becomes real. Students teach their chemistry concept to authentic audience, including peers and visitors during the Engineering and Science Open Day. This goes beyond a typical classroom presentation. Students engage with real people, answer real questions, and receive genuine feedback. This experience strengthens their confidence, deepens their mastery of the subject, and helps them realize that effective teaching is not just about delivering facts, but about making complex ideas understandable. Final phase is reflection. Students evaluate their learning through individual reflection reports and peer review assessments. In this reflection, they analyze their contribution to the project, examine its impact, and discuss how the experience enhanced their learning and personal growth. Reflection encourages students to identify gaps in their understanding, refine their communication skill, and grow into more confident and capable learners. The impact of CHEM.ED series is visible across several forms of evidence. Students move through a clear transformation, from passive learner to knowledgeable creator to science communicator and finally to confident lifelong learner. Along the way, they gain deeper understanding, stronger communication skill, and valuable transferable skills such as teamwork, creativity, digital literacy, and leadership. Most importantly, the learning experience becoming more meaningful because students were not just completing an assignment. They were actively creating knowledge and sharing it with others. In conclusion, the CHEM.ED series transformed a conventional chemistry assignment into an authentic experience where students create, communicate, and teach chemistry. By combining project-based learning, learning by teaching, and community engagement, students move beyond memorization and into real scientific understanding. CHEM.ED series shows that when students are given the opportunity to explain what they know, learning becomes deeper, more engaging, and more impactful. And because this approach is scalable and transferable, it can be adopted across STEM disciplines to develop stronger learners, confident communicators, and future problem solvers. CHEM.ED series: Learn, Create, Teach, Inspire.